What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is an update on Litecoin. If you look at Litecoin, we have broken out above the 50 and we're above the 200 EMA on the weekly time frame, which is quite bullish, but we need to be careful because it happened before in the past where we break out only to double top and fall down, or even here a bigger drop. Essentially what we'd like to see is a rise, then we retrace back test it, then a continuation. I'm not going to buy this pump. I'll wait to see the proof of the move, if there is any juice in the tank. I mean, even on the daily we haven't tested the 50 EMA. On the 4-hourly, yeah, we bounced off it, but we didn't get much momentum to the outside. We're still stuck at last week's high. So my analysis is that if you look at the daily, you could clearly see, let's go back to the daily, actually the 4-hourly. This is some sort of a stopping volume candle over here. You have two large wicks with this thin body at the middle with high volume. That's looking at volume, you can see the volume was not this kind of volume. The tick volume was high, and it's represented by the color of the candle being violet. So yeah, now if we go into, if we pull up another indicator, so we could see how much volume was in that candle, just to show you what I'm talking about. We could see on the futures chart, it would be a different story, I believe. Same story, not much of volume. My mistake, I thought it would be a red bar, a big red bar. However, it is a stopping volume candle technically, and we had on the hourly, you could see that's sort of a bearish engulfing candle. We engulfed the previous two candles, and we may continue lower, but we are holding the 13 EMA. Now targets, Litecoin has been bumping its head in the golden pocket, the 0.65 retracement from the 102 zone, the 101 point, no, the 134 zone. This peak over here, we're bumping our head on the golden pocket, in the golden pocket. So this would be a good chance to say, okay, I'll take a long, I'll take a short. But what I would like to see, if I was to enter this, then I would wait for another attempt to the high of day, which is at around 102.55, and see the reaction there. Otherwise, I'll be looking for the previous day's lows for long. It is sort of a range that we're stuck in, and we have been traveling in some sort of ascending channel, which is a bearish one. I don't see much of impulses away from it. So targets for me, if this move has been done and we're coming down, my targets would be that at least we would retrace to the 0.618 or even the 0.5, depending if it's a wave B or wave 2. If it's a wave B, it will just come to the 0.5 at $75. If it's a wave 2, it could come as low as $59 or get stuck at the 68. So 75, 68, 59 are my targets to the downside if it's going to roll now. However, if we're able to break above the golden pocket, then you can see the next zone is a 0.786. Same story. If we are able to break, let me go back to get that fib retracement. The 0.786 is at the 114.25, which would coincide with this peak over here, where we'd have a resistance, the peak we formed in April. And yeah, so basically to the upside, if you can break this zone of the 101, you're going up to the 114. And once you break the 123, which is a 0.887, then 134, the 1-to-1 extension is the next zone. That's my analysis for Litecoin. Short term, this move up should have a retracement, in my opinion. It can't just keep pumping up. We need a decent retracement to remain bullish. This is not bullish. Bullish, we need a decent retracement to show that we are willing to get in more buyers in and continue higher. Hope you like the video. Please like and share and subscribe, and put your comments down there if you want to say anything, and join the free Discord. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can through a link in the channel description and in the video description. More trades, I'm out.